वादी नेता शबीर अहमद शाह गंभीर बीमारी प्रोस्टेट कैंसर से जूझ रहे हैं। महबूबा मुफ्ती, सज्जाद लोन और मीर वाइज उमर फारूक जैसे नेताओं ने केंद्र सरकार और उपराज्यपाल से भावुक अपील की है कि शबीर शाह को तत्काल मानवीय आधार पर रिहा करें ताकि उनकी जरूरी सर्जरी हो सके।
Many of you may already be aware of my father's serious health condition. Since December 2024, when he complained of passing blood in urine, also known as painless hematuria, our concern has only grown. This is a daughter's humble, heartfelt and urgent appeal for compassion, for justice and for basic human dignity. My father has now spent 38 years in imprisonment without a single conviction, and in July 2025, he will complete 39 years and enter his 40th year of imprisonment. No trial, no conviction, no justice, and now no proper medical care. We are asking for basic humanitarian treatment. If the government does not want to release him, then at least place him under house arrest in Delhi, where he can be treated with proper medical care.